In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize Weebly for your website needs. Whether you're embarking on building an online store or enhancing an existing site, these steps will provide you with an easy and streamlined approach. First, let's start by heading over to the Weebly overview page. This is your main hub for managing and editing your site. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Once there, you'll find various options and tools at your disposal. Familiarizing yourself with this page will greatly increase your efficiency as you work on your website. Now, locate the Edit Site button. It's prominently placed for easy access, ensuring you can jump straight into the customization process. Click that, and you'll be whisked away to the site editor where all the magic happens. As the editor loads, you might notice a pop-out menu. If it distracts from your current task, simply click on the X to close it. This helps maintain a clear view of your workspace, allowing you to focus solely on the elements you plan to modify or add. Moving forward, let's explore the Products tab. This area is crucial if you're planning to sell products online. To begin building your product catalog, click and drag the Products section into your desired location on your page. It's as easy as dragging and dropping, and you'll see how flexible the Weebly interface truly is. Once you've got your Products section in place, the next step involves the fun part, clicking on Add Products to Store. This is where you can start listing what you have to offer. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Take your time to explore the features available on this page. They allow for detailed descriptions and images to showcase what makes your products special. Now, typing in the product name is an essential step. Make sure it's clear, descriptive, and aligns with your brand's voice. This not only helps in organizing your store, but also improves the ease with which customers can find what they're looking for. Once that's done, don't forget to click on Save. This step locks in your progress and ensures that all the information you just added is securely kept in the system. Remember, regular saving also prevents any loss of data due to unexpected issues. Finally, you'll want to click on Save and Close. This confirms all the changes you've made and takes you back to the main overview. It's a reassuring way to wrap up your session, knowing everything is correctly stored and organized. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now better equipped to handle Weebly's features and optimize your site for success. Take your time exploring different elements and don't hesitate to reach out for support if you need it. Thanks for watching and happy website building.